I am a sustainability manager. I use Claude every single day, and I use a lot of skills inside it. Claude Skills are the most underrated features to learn right now. Today, I'm showing you the top 5 I actually use. I will show you exactly how to get these and how to use each. Marketing has their skills. Sales has their playbooks. Finance has 100 tutorials out there. Sustainability professionals has nothing. My mission is to reach 1 million sustainability professionals and close this gap by making sustainability professionals AI-powered, step-by-step, tutorial after tutorial. If that mission sounds like worth it to you, subscribe and follow along. Let's get started. What is a Claude skill? Well, a Claude skill is simply instructions you give Claude once. Claude uses it every time after that automatically whenever you trigger it. Setup takes minutes, zero coding, zero technical background needed, and it saves you hours every single week. At least it does for me. And today I will show you 5 of those, starting with skill number 1, the brand skill. If you have your own practice, a sustainability consultant, a freelancer, this is the most important skill you will ever build in Claude. Here's the problem it solves. Without it, everything Claude makes sounds generic. Same tone as everyone else, same colors as every other AI-generated slide deck or HTML or tool. It doesn't sound like you, doesn't look like your company. A brand skill fixes that. It's not just colors and fonts, although yes, it has your color palette, your typography, all of that applied automatically to anything that Claude built, meaning dashboards, meaning artifacts, reports, Word docs, PDFs, everything. But the real value is also in the voice. Your tone, your key phrases, your slogan, your motto, all of that is baked inside of your brand skill. Everything that you produce will sound exactly like you and like your brand. But I want to be honest with you, and I've said it earlier, you are going to build it because no one, and I mean no one, will be able to build it for you. Maybe your design team can help you with that, but let's be real. You're probably a team of 1 or maybe very small team. Design team who? That's exactly why you should invest the time and keep building your brand skill, because it is a continuous process. With mine, I've managed to build websites that looks exactly like me, that sounds exactly like me, and that encourage other sustainability professionals to join my newsletter with 4,000 sustainability professionals learning AI daily. So that's exactly what a brand skill does. It helps you as a consultant, a freelance, or someone even in-house sustainability manager trying to build your own personal brand. That's where I would start. And now let's jump to the second skill I always use, the Monday brief. And for those who have been following me, you already heard about it. This one I could talk about for an entire video, and honestly I actually did. So there's a video you'll find somewhere here that exactly talk about this Monday brief. So go check it out. Over 1,000 sustainability professionals have downloaded this already. Here's why it matters. Every morning, instead of me manually checking the news, those outlets, regulations, trying to keep up with the bare minimum. As a sustainability professionals, we need to keep up with regulations, with news, with trends, with our industry, with our niche. That's a lot. So if you are a sustainability professional trying to stay current on regulation, policies, the shifts, the industry news, everything that is burning and growing every day, this is the skill to download. It's the Monday brief, and there's a full video on how to use this one. So we will be quick here. And now to skill number 3, skill creator. Remember what I said about brand skill? This is how you will build it. And honestly, any skill you need. You know the saying, teach someone how to fish instead of giving them a fish? That's exactly what this skill is all about. Skill Creator is built by Anthropic and it's free. Go to customize and then to the left panel, you'll find skills. Click on it, then to browse. If you search Skill Creator, you'll find it. Install it and start using it directly. So once you have it, you can start actually building skill from scratch or update or upgrade one of those skills that you have. You might say that this has nothing to do with sustainability, but I would actually push hardly back because this is exactly the skill every sustainability professional need to master. Our field is huge. Areas of expertise spanning social, environmental, and governance aspects across different industries and different business models. Some of you focus on climate action. Others focus on pollution reporting. Others strategy or regulation tracking. You will never gonna find a skill that matches exactly your niche, your industry, your business, your specific problem. Therefore, most of the time, you'd at least need to upgrade your existing skill. For example, the Monday brief, skill number 2. It's made exactly for me. It actually made for my industry, for my problem, for my news that I'm tracking. However, you can download it and simply use this skill creator skill to basically upgrade it and kind of shape it into your own industry, into your own problem. And this is why this skill is really a must-have for every sustainability professional. And now we can jump to skill number 4. This one is my favorite, and full transparency, it's behind a paywall or behind a cohort because it's part of the AILab, the tool architect skill. It's exactly what we do inside the AILab, because inside the AILab we build tools, real tools, carbon emission calculator, supplier engagement portals, materiality assessment, decarbonization pathway, RAG systems, everything you can think of, you can build inside the AILab. Cohort 1 has 12 students who have been really building since week number 1. It's a 6 weeks program that you will end up at the last week with a fully functioning tool, if not 6 tools. So what we learned there is how to become an architect, how to explain your idea to an AI system so you can literally build solutions personalized for your industry, for your business, for your clients. And that's exactly where the future is going, because renting out the software isn't sustainable anymore, because you can literally, instead of renting out a generic formula, renting out a generic platform and try to shape your business to this model is not sustainable. However, it is really simple to build a specific personalized tool that serves exactly your business, serves exactly your problem. So if you are a sustainability professional, you think you know your business, you know your industry, you know your niche, and you have a problem in mind, you think you have to solve it, or you want to solve it, or you can solve it, this is the place to literally build this tool. Check it out, ailab.sustainOS.io. You'll find the link here and in the description below. I would love to see you there, because this is real build, real tools that can make you money. Last one, and this is the one almost nobody finds. We do a lot of risk assessments. Regularly as sustainability professional, we have to evaluate risks around our business, around our manufacturing areas, around specific ecosystems. And this skill equipped Claude with the ability to actually run this process with you. It's free, but it is bundled as part of a plugin, not sold as a standalone or not downloaded as a standalone. So to be able to go there, you have to download a plugin. What is a plugin? It's simply a bundle of several skills, several connectors. You don't need to really dig deep into the plugin. What we are going to do is simply you go to customize. Instead of going to skills this time, we are going to plugins. And I want you to type in operations and you just install the operation plugin. Inside of it, you will find a skill that is called risk assessment. We can just simply trigger it using /forward and risk assessment. And simply we can literally explain what exactly we are working on, and then simply we will be able to perform a risk assessment hand in hand with Claude, the high capability of Claude. I mean, this skill is gold, this skill is hidden, and maybe you can check other plugins, maybe you'll find some interesting skills that is buried inside there. So if you think you'll use one of these skills, comment down what skill you have liked the most or what skill you would not recommend anyone else to use it. Personally, these 5 skills are gold for me, and I love these skills. Listen, here's the thing I want you to keep in mind. If I want you to take one thing out of this video, it would be nothing about the skills. It would be actually that regardless of how many videos you've watched, how many podcasts you've listened to in the last month, how many newsletter articles you've read, if you don't jump and use your keyboard and mouse to literally chat with AI and try to improve day over day, you will never get good with AI. Prompting is a skill, customizing your AI is a skill, building with AI is a skill, and you need to build these. You need to invest the time and effort you put into AI will be fruitful soon. Because let me be honest with you, in a year from now, AI fluency would be something like Excel for the last 20 years. It's not something that you ask for, something that you expect your prospect. If you are applying for a job, they will expect you to be fluent with AI. That's why I encourage every sustainability professional to start learning today, not tomorrow, today. And that's why I publish content that you can literally duplicate, that you can literally adopt. Therefore, please make sure you will try these skills and let me know in the comments what you think. And if you think reaching out 1 million sustainability professional is something that will be helpful for those 1 million sustainability professionals and myself, please, I cannot do it without you. So comment, like, share it with a friend who would benefit from it, and see you next time.